Welcome to the world of real estate financing. This is where your journey to understanding the diverse avenues for funding your real estate ventures begins. Introduction. Real estate investment is a complex dance of strategy, risk, and reward, and at its core is the crucial element of financing. In this lecture, we'll embark on a journey through the myriad options available for financing your real estate ventures. Crucial role of financing. Financing is not just a technical aspect. It's the backbone of your real estate investments. It shapes the scale of your projects, influences profitability, and plays a critical role in risk mitigation. Traditional financing overview. We'll start by exploring the stalwarts of real estate financing, the traditional sources such as banks and mortgages. These have been the bedrock of many successful ventures, offering stability and structure. Importance of diversity. But we won't stop there. In the world of real estate, diversity is key. Diverse financing options provide resilience and flexibility, enabling you to adapt to the unique demands of different projects. Traditional financing sources. Let's delve into the tried and true avenues that many real estate investors rely on for their financing needs. Bank loans. Firstly, we have bank loans, the classic choice for many investors. These loans often come with competitive interest rates and well-structured repayment plans. Mortgages. Then there are mortgages, long-term loans secured by the very property you're investing in. Mortgages can have varying interest rates and terms, influencing the overall dynamics of your investment. Pros and cons. Of course, each traditional financing option comes with its own set of advantages and drawbacks. Understanding these nuances is crucial for making informed financing decisions. Alternative financing sources. As we venture beyond the conventional, alternative financing sources emerge, offering unique possibilities for the savvy investor. Private lenders. Private lenders, individuals or organizations outside the traditional banking sphere, can offer a more flexible approach to financing. We'll explore how these arrangements can be tailored to suit specific project needs. Partnerships. Partnerships represent collaborative ventures where resources are pooled for shared real estate investments. Success stories. To illustrate the power of alternative financing, we'll delve into real-world success stories, projects that were not just funded but thrived through these unconventional means. As we conclude this overview, remember the importance of embracing a diversified financing strategy. Let's recap. We've covered the critical role of financing, explored traditional options like bank loans and mortgages, and opened the door to alternative avenues like private funding and partnerships. Now, get ready to dive deeper. Join us in the next lecture, where we'll unravel the intricacies of understanding mortgages and loans. The journey continues, and your mastery of real estate financing is just beginning.